Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an LLC in Pennsylvania. Your first step is to choose a unique and compliant name for your new entity. You must ensure the name is available by searching the Pennsylvania Department of State database online. Remember, your chosen name needs to clearly include LLC or limited liability company as part of its full title. You can reserve your preferred name for up to 120 days if you need extra time before filing your official documents. Next, you need to appoint a registered agent for your LLC. This agent must have a physical address in Pennsylvania and will be responsible for receiving official communications. After that, you will file your certificate of organization with the Pennsylvania Department of State. This crucial document officially creates your LLC in the state. The filing fee is currently $125, a one-time payment to establish your business legally. Developing an operating agreement is the next vital step, even though it is an internal document and not filed with the state. This agreement clearly defines your LLC's ownership structure, management responsibilities, and operating procedures. Simultaneously, you will need to obtain an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the Internal Revenue Service. This 9-digit number is essential for tax filings and will allow you to open a dedicated business bank account. Now, it is time to address state and local registrations. You will need to register for any necessary state tax accounts, like sales tax or employer withholding, with the Pennsylvania Department of Revenue. Additionally, research and secure any specific local business licenses or permits required by your city, borough, or township. These can vary significantly depending on your business type and location, so thorough investigation is key to avoiding future issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.